Hello. So I've received a lot of questions that people ask me about how to enable the manual focus on the Canon SX60 HS. So it's very simple. See here on the dial here, you have macro MF. MF is the manual focus. So you are in the photo mode like this. See, like how? Oh, come on. Let me do this. Okay. You just press to the left side. You have to press it twice, and it's on manual focus. That's it. That is manual focus. And you go up and down. See? And it shows the peaking. You have to enable it in the settings somewhere. I'm gonna show it to you. Focus peaking. It means that it shows you where the focus is. The cool thing is that you can enable manual focus while you are already recording. So again, to disable it, do this. Okay, so the cool thing is that you go into video, you record a video, blah blah blah. You zoom in, you whatever, and you want to have it locked on that focus. You press once, bam, and then switch to manual focus, and it's gonna remain locked to that focus. So that's the best feature of it. Actually, I use this camera at the air shows a lot, so it's really helpful. Let me find where the peaking is too. Like peaking is very useful. See, it shows you where the focus is with the red that red overlay. Okay, peaking is in the menu. So you press menu, you go MF peaking settings, and peaking on or off, the level and the color. You can do a few colors. So that's that overlay that shows you where the focus is, and it's very useful because small screens, you know. So that's it, guys. I hope it's gonna help you. See you next time, maybe. Bye bye.